everyone, Garrett here from Team Zootopia Racing, and today we are doing an unboxing. So today we are going to be unboxing this. This is a Zootopia Finnick and Finnick pack. Now I've been wanting one of these for a long time. So let's do it. First of all, before we do it, so in front of it you can see. And I apologize for the glare, or whatever else you can see, because I'm using my selfie camera, like always. Yeah, but here's the box. Here's the front of it. It's the back right here. Opposable neck, and I can't read that. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and switch cameras because God knows that you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start this off now. Again, here's the box again, and now you can probably see a little better or not. I have no idea, and I don't know what the fuck is that. Okay, you guys should not see that. That is a surprise for later.
Or too slow!
Okay, so that's better. So, you can see here at the box, you can barely see it, but, okay. So, since I don't know where my freakishly large knife is, I'm going to be using this little tool. That seems small enough. So, you're going to gently turn it. Oh my god. That turned out a little bit better than last time.
Okay. And oh, fuck me, it's tearing itself again. I had to do it right there as well. Okay, so I have no idea what you guys saw, but I'm going to go ahead and, oh, apparently it's not cut all the way. So we're going to have to fix that.
Okay, there we go. Now it is open. So use the back of it, we're going to go ahead and pull this out. So box is freaking empty. And here they are. So these ties here on the back, we'll go ahead and twist them out. And I'm going to need to see what I'm doing here.
So, if you want to see what that shit. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna try.
Now, the issue is, I don't have any scissors. But, what about wire strippers? And now that I've said that, there is going to be fire in the comments. But, or maybe not. It works though, I can just clip it. There you go. See, that was nothing. Just clip it, it works every time. Okay. Okay, so we finally got Nick out. Yep. A little close up of this. Can move his legs as well. Yep. So we go ahead and put that right there. Now, we're going to attempt to get Finnick out. Now, this one should hopefully be easier since I now have my wire strippers. So, go ahead and... Yep, that was literally nothing. Why didn't I use those before? They work even better than scissors. Try not to crunch this stuff as much, but whatever. There we go. God damn, his ears are big. He can only move his head. That's all you can do. Oh. Yeah, well, here they are. Hopefully Nick will stand up. Oh. Alright, there we go. Yep, so a little bit closer up. Alright, so yeah, that was our little unboxing video, and that little thing that you saw in the beginning that I wasn't supposed to show you, should be up on the Zootopia Racing Twitter pretty soon. So anyway, this is Garrett from Team Zootopia Racing, and I will see you in the next video.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.